While usually associated with the southern parts of the United States, collard greens can be grown around the country and even in your own backyard. Collard greens are a variation of wild cabbage and belong to the same species as cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Popular varieties of collard greens in the US include Georgia Southern, Morris Heading, and Butter Collard. But no matter the variety, they all make for a healthy addition to any meal. 1/2 cup serving contains only 35 calories and very little fat. Like other dark, leafy green veggies, collard greens are a great source of vitamin K, which our body uses to keep our blood flowing and our blood vessels healthy. Collard greens also promote healthy vision because they're a rich source of vitamin A. These crunchy vegetables are also a good source of calcium, so they can help children build strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis in adults. Once harvested, collard greens can stay fresh and delicious in your refrigerator, or they can be frozen and enjoyed throughout the winter months. That way, you can enjoy the health benefits of these tasty greens in a variety of ways, as a side dish or in your favorite soup all year round.